You have here funny architecture.
Tuto vidíte takú zaujímavú stenu.
Now those who will run a little bit over there, they'll see exactly for what it is.
Tí, ktorí už utekali trošku ďalej, už vedia prečo to
It's
je.
for doves.
Je to pre holuby.
Now why do you need doves?
Prečo potrebujeme holuby?
How does it work with sending messages with doves?
Ako to funguje s posílaním správ z...
I take your dove.
Zoberiem svoju holubicu.
With me, I go somewhere.
Zoberiem si vysebou, idem...
I arrive here, I arrive safely, everything is nice, come.
Dobre som prišiel.
And I send the dove
A
and
potom
it
pošlem
flies back
tvoju
home.
holubicu späť a ona si nájde svoj domov.
So no post.
Takže nebolo to kvôli pošte.
But doves are kosher, you can eat them.
Ale holubice sú košer, Židia ich mohli jesť.
And they don't need much of attention.
A nepotrebujú veľa pozornosti.
Just give them a little bit of food, of water, and they'll stay
Trošku
here.
vody, trošku jedla.
They'll reproduce.
Budú sa množiť.
And you have.
Budú tu a máte jedlo. Máte jedlo.
Now, how do we know that the doves are kosher?
Ako vieme, že holubice sú
Without reading the Old
košer,
Testament.
bez toho, aby sme čítali vôbec Starý zákon?
Without reading this, without any knowledge about what makes a bird kosher or not.
Bez toho, že by sme vedeli, že čo robí z nejakého vtáčika, čo ho robí košer a čo nie.
When Jesus was 40 days old,
keď mal Ježiš 40 rokov,
they need to give an offering for the boy. He is the firstborn of the family.
when he was how old?
40 days old.
A keď mal 40 dní, tak potrebovali priniesť nejakú obeť za svojho prvorodeného.
So his parents take him to the temple.
Takže ho rodičia ho zobrali do chrámu.
And they weren't the richest people.
Neboli zrovna bohatí.
So they gave the offer what the poor gave.
A tak dali takú obeť, ktorú dávali chudobní.
2 doves.
Dve holubičky.
So if you can offer it, you can eat it.
Takže ak to viete priniesť ako obeť, tak sa môžu aj jesť. A však mi dal New Testament.
That's only New Testament, what I told you.
Takže iba zo nového zákona, tak sa vám zostalo.
Okay, let's continue.
A Milka, fotku tuto si chcela, alebo budú?
You want to eat something? I'll catch one for you.
We just wanted the picture.
Over there maybe.
On these three.